Hello my dear friends, today I am going to show you how to grow microgreens at home. What are microgreens? Microgreens are baby plants. They are rich in vitamin, antioxidants and enzymes. They will help us protect us from diseases such as cancer. What I am going to do is I will have two things. One with soil, one without soil. First you have to take this disposable box like this. Then take one tissue. Pour some water on it slightly. Little water. Then take some coriander seeds. Wait, then you have to put it in the box. Take some coriander seeds. Spread them around. Okay. Next what we have to do is we have to cover it and see with the next day. Next, now we have a bowl with some soil. I have some mustard seeds over here. Now, put some little more. Now, take some little bit of soil like this. Now, put some bits of soil on top of the mustard seeds. Anyways, you should not put too much of soil on it. Put some little soil so that you can all get cover. So, here it is. Now, you have to close them and you have to keep them in the sun for a while. Then tomorrow we will check. Thank you. Hello friends, this is Aradhya once again on day 2. Let's look at my microgreens. Let's look at the mustard microgreens. Look at them. Some of them have sprouted a little bit. Look at my coriander microgreens. They haven't sprouted because you know why? I didn't put soil for them, and coriander seeds cannot grow without soil. Make sure that the soil is wet. Don't put too much of water. Let's look at the microgreens on day 3 tomorrow. Thank you. Hello everyone. This is Aradhya once again on day 3. Let's see what happened to my microgreens. Look at my mustard microgreens. Can you see? They have sprouted a little bit. Some of them have sprouted 2 leaves, some of them have sprouted 4 leaves. Look at my coriander microgreens. Now I have started the activity with soil. Let's come back tomorrow to see what has happened to my microgreens. Bye bye. Hello friends. This is Aradhya once again on day 4. Let's look at my microgreens. Look at my mustard microgreens. Let's measure them. They have grown around 2 centimeters tall. They have grown 4 leaves. Look at my coriander microgreens. They have still not sprouted. Maybe they are old seeds. Let's come back tomorrow to see what happened to my microgreens. Bye bye. Hello friends. This is Aradhya once again on day 5. Let's look at my microgreens. Look at my mustard microgreens. I'm so excited to see them grow so fast. Let's measure them. They have grown almost 2 inches tall. Look at my coriander microgreens. I cannot see any change in them. Maybe because of this hot summer, they are still not growing. Let's come back tomorrow on day 6 to see what happened to my microgreens. Bye bye. Hello friends. This is Aradhya. Welcome back on day 6. Let's look at my microgreens. Look at my mustard microgreens. Let's measure them. They have grown 2 inches tall. Tomorrow they are ready for harvesting. I'm so excited. Look at my coriander microgreens. Oh no, they are still not grown. Let's come back tomorrow on day 7 and get ready for harvesting the microgreens. Bye bye. Hello everybody. This is Aradhya. This is the last day for my microgreens. and today I'm going to harvest them. Before harvesting, I have a few important things to share with you. Number 1. Do not plant non-edible microgreens like brinjal, potato and tomato. They are nightshade plants. Number 2. Do not put too much of water. Water your plants daily. Now I have something which is really exciting. My coriander microgreens have soon started to sprout. Only 2 of them have sprouted, I could see. This one and this. Now let's start to harvest my mustard microgreens. Here, now I'm going to use the microgreens for my salad. Thank you. Bye bye. Happy holidays.